Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia and I am driving right now in my car, so I'm trying very hard to stay focused, but at the same time talk to you guys. I'm driving to the spot where the baby shower is going to take place. Today is the day of that baby shower that I told you in my previous video, and that's why I made clouds from balloons. And it's 3:18. I was supposed to be there at 3, but like usual I'm late. I'm gonna have enough time to set up. I have my pipes, I have everything that you need is here, and I'm ready to roll and decorate. I'm not doing much at this baby shower. I'm just setting up the backdrop. We made some changes with that backdrop, so if you're curious and want to see how this backdrop will be different from the backdrop that I posted, then stay tuned and you will see the difference. Also, original backdrop video I will link in the description down below, so if you're interested to see the difference, you can compare. So I'll see you in a little bit. Give you a quick tip. If you need to transport any type of fishing line with something attached to fishing line, like my hearts over here, what I do is I take them and I carefully fold one by one, just like that, and then I'm taking my Ziploc bag and putting them safely in there and lock it up, and it's good to go. And whenever you need to use your fishing line with decorations, you just simply pull it out and just let it go, and you don't have to untangle and just go through this whole mess. Hope this is helpful. This is the finished backdrop. I really like it. I like how gray and white and all that white looks together, and this off-white accent chair, very cute. What kind of changes we did? We replaced white fabric on gray fabric. Also, instead of colorful hearts, I cut out white and baby blue hearts, and it looks very, very, very cute. I love it. I absolutely love these balloons. They hold air like there's no tomorrow, honestly. I made these clouds yesterday. Nothing popped, and they hold their shape and nothing deflated. Everything stayed the same. Very pretty, very awesome. What kind of fabric is this? I can't really tell you, because this fabric, one of the bride's mama gave it to me for free because I was helping decorating that wedding. So this is it, you guys. In the comments down below, let me know what you think. Do you like this idea? Do you like the changes that we made? Let me know. And also, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to comment, like, share, and absolutely subscribe. I will see you back very soon. Bye bye. You guys, what happens after the shower is over? Look.